support dabi.
Shri Sarvanand Sonwal to reply the discussion.
Respected sir, I am sincerely grateful to Srimati Darshana Singh ji, Gola Baburao ji, Dr. M. Themburadai, Srimati Dr. Kalpana Saini ji, Sri Milind Murli Dora ji, Sri Rambhai Haji Bhai Mukhaji, Sri Bijlal ji, Sri Mastan Rao Jadab Veda ji, or Birendra Baisya ji for their kind support to this bill. As you know, this is a very significant reform initiative under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, which has particularly unlocked the full potential of India's vast and strategic coastline, which stretches over 11,098 kilometers across 9 coastal states and 4 union territories. To support the goal of growing India's coastal cargo share to 230 million metric ton by 2030, we need a framework that minimizes regulation while maximizing facilitation of growth opportunity in coastal trade. The Coastal Shipping Bill 2025 is designed to make coastal trade easier, more competitive and better integrated with India's overall transport vision. Sir, presently regulation and licensing of coastal shipping is governed by Part 14 of the Maritime Shipping Act 1958. The current bill provides a holistic, forward-looking and progressive legal framework suited to today's commercial realities in line with the globally prevalent cabotage practices. This bill is a part of the larger vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to undertake a series of legal reform which in the past 11 years have led to increased growth and developmental of maritime and shipping sector. Honorable Sir, this bill contains 6 chapters and 42 clauses that mainly consist of provisions of licensing and regulations of foreign vessels in coastal trade, formulations of national coastal and inland shipping strategic plan, creation of a national database for coastal shipping. This bill will reduce the compliance burden for Indian ships in line with the mission of ease of doing business. If greater numbers of Indian ships handle cargo, it will ensure supply chain security for the country. This is very significant. Supply chain security for the country, prevent escapement of countries' foreign exchange by reduced dependence on foreign ships, and enable creation of global local economy with versatile employment opportunity. Easy accessibility to authentic and periodically updated data through the national database on coastal shipping, along with information of the strategic plan for the development of infrastructure on coastal and inland routes, will keep potential investors better informed about the development plan and policy priority of the government in the sector. Sir, with this, I want to request you, sir, this bill is very significant bills, very important, very reformative like kind of initiative, and I believe the members of the House will definitely help this bill to pass.
The question is that